Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy, where we teach the world to paint. Today we're immersing ourselves in the vibrant and inspiring world of Frida Kahlo, a trailblazer in the 20th century art scene. We'll delve not just into her extraordinary art, but into the woman behind the canvas, her life, her struggles, and her relentless spirit. Together we'll reveal 5 critical learnings from her journey that will spark your imagination and allow you to perceive the world through multiple perspectives. So grab your paintbrushes and let's dive into Frida Kahlo's colorful and compelling world. This video offers 5 life-inspired tips to spark your creativity. Frida Kahlo was not just a great painter, but also a revolutionary, a visionary, and a survivor. Born in Mexico in 1907, she began painting while recovering from a serious bus accident that left her bedridden for months. Despite her physical and emotional pain, she found solace in art, and her vivid, surrealist style soon caught the attention of the art world. Frida's art was a mirror to her soul, reflecting her pain, passion, and resilience. Her enduring legacy continues to inspire millions around the globe. Each of us has a unique story to tell. Frida Kahlo's tumultuous life profoundly shaped her art. She wasn't afraid to explore and express her identity in her art. Just like Frida, don't be afraid to let your individuality shine through your artwork. Your unique perspective is your greatest strength as an artist. So let your creativity flow freely and paint what your heart desires. Frida's portraits often highlighted imperfections. She believed that imperfections had their own beauty. This is a liberating concept, isn't it? To know that it's okay to make mistakes, and that your work doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, those imperfections can add depth and authenticity to your artwork. So, the next time you make a mistake, don't erase it. Instead, see if you can incorporate it into your artwork meaningfully. Frida used her art as a form of self-expression. She poured her emotions, thoughts, and experiences onto her canvas. And that's what made her art so powerful, so relatable. So don't hold back. Let your artwork be a reflection of your soul. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to express yourself. It's all about authenticity and honesty. Frida's life was filled with adversity, from her debilitating accident to her tumultuous love life. But she didn't let these challenges stop her. Instead, she channeled her pain into her art and emerged stronger. So keep going, no matter what. Art isn't just about creating pretty pictures. It's about resilience, perseverance, and growth. Frida was always experimenting with different styles, techniques, and mediums. She was a lifelong learner in the truest sense. So don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Try new things, experiment, make mistakes, and learn. Remember, every stroke, every color, every texture you experiment with takes you one step closer to finding your unique artistic voice. We want to encourage our viewers to channel their inner Frida in this scene. As you embark on your artistic journey, remember that art is not just about creating beautiful pieces. It's about expressing yourself, your emotions, your experiences. It's about telling your story. As we near the end of our journey with Frida Kahlo, let's take a moment to reflect on how we can apply her lessons to our own artistic pursuits. Remember, art is a mirror reflecting the self. It's about being brave, being bold, being uniquely you. Don't be afraid to channel your inner Frida. Let your canvas echo your emotions, your experiences, your unique perspective. And remember, there's no right or wrong in art. It's all about expressing yourself. We at Acrylic Arts Academy believe everyone has an artist within them, waiting to be unleashed. To help you get started on your journey, we offer free guided courses in acrylic painting. You can enroll at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Who knows? The next Frida Kahlo could be among us, waiting for the right brushstroke to bring her story to life. Here are the 5 insights we've distilled from Frida's life. Champion your unique viewpoint. Discover elegance in flaws, express yourself through your art, and triumph difficulties. Remember, these pointers transcend art. They're about life's journey. So, stay authentic, persist against hardship, and never cease to learn. Give this video a like if you learned something new, and subscribe to this channel for more insightful content like this.